Hey, good morning. This is just another one of the things I do. What I did this morning is I'm setting this plaque onto that piece of granite. This is a war memorial plaque. Okay, and how you do it is they're bolted through, and you just lay the plate on there. You put the studs on, you lay the plate on, then you tighten them up a little bit, then you go around and then you measure your reveals. Okay, make sure that's all good. And how you do that is you got 2/16 there, 2/16 there. On this particular one anyway. And you would just measure it. You measure it from side to side like that. And then on the bottom, right there, right there, right there, right there, and on the other side. Okay, and then you got the problem with these bolts. Well, what you do with these bolts is this. Make sure you have your eye protection. And you want them to be flat like that. Take off all the sharp edges. And you can do it with a hacksaw, but each one takes longer to do than I just did with the cut-off grinder. Now, carefully lay this back down, and I'm off to install it. There you go. Thanks for watching.